What's the meaning of caret? Caret. Caret.
Caret. Caret. The caret is a symbol used in various contexts and has different meanings depending on the context. In mathematics, it represents an exponent or a bitwise exclusive or operation. In text editing, it indicates where inserted text will appear. In music notation, it denotes a pitch alteration. In programming, it denotes the start of a line or character position in regular expressions. Overall, the caret symbol has versatile uses and can take on different interpretations depending on the context in which it appears.